Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously we have done many of the things using JavaScript language, and we have covered up many of the part videos in which we have built different project using JavaScript, and different tag we have used to build different projects. So today I'll be telling you what to study next after JavaScript, and this video will be related to the, you can say, not we are building any of the project, just I'll be giving you the opinion and the you can say opinion and the rights, like after JavaScript what language should be started and how to work with that language. So remember to see this video. This will be detailed video, and I'll be telling you one to one thing how to just work with JavaScript and how to build a project using this what to study next in JavaScript. And when you have just done with these all things, we'll be moving forward, and this is our last video of JavaScript series. Then we will be covering up Python series, and I'll be starting Python series, which will be giving you help moving forward. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project by using this amazing what to study next in JavaScript, and how to just build an amazing project of JavaScript in this tag. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just building the project using what to study next in JavaScript, and we'll be just building an amazing poll UI design using this amazing what to study next in JavaScript. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build this. And this is our last project of JavaScript series, like I've telling you. Then I'll be also telling you what we are learning next when we'll be finishing with our project. So now we'll be starting with that. So for building this here, I will be opening my VS Code. So when you've opened here, I will be closing all these files. Then I will be opening my folder, which is created on the desktop with the name of Pole UI design, which we are building here. Then I've opened my main file. Here I will be raising all the codes which we are containing, because here I will be writing my own codes here. And then when you've written these all stuff from here also, I'll be raising all this stuff now. Then you have to move after this file. Here I will be moving in this file. Then when you're getting all these things, here I will be now just moving in this thing. Then after moving, you can see we are getting all this stuff. So here I will be now removing these all stuff also. Save. Here also press Ctrl B to close side panel. Here I will be opening it through my desktop. So here is my desktop, and this is our folder of whole UI design, and this is our browser. So you can see I've opened. Now I will be doing it side by side. So coding side should be at the left, and at the right we'll be getting this interface side of our whole UI design which we are building. So now when you're getting all this stuff, here I will be moving down. Right here div class wrapper. Then you have to write here header, and here I will be writing poll. So here I will be writing poll UI design here, because we are building it. So here I will be now writing div class poll area like this. Then you write here input type checkbox. Then write here name poll, and here I'll be writing ID opt1. Then you have to now just copy this. So simply here I will be pressing Ctrl C to copy. Now when you've done that, here I'll be pasting it. Right here 4, 3, 2. Now when you've written all this stuff, here you have to now move at the top. Then here I'll be writing label. So here I will be now writing label for opt-1. Right here class opt-1. Then right here div class row. And then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class column. And when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down. Right here span class. Then here I will be writing circle. Then I will be writing, just moving down. Right here span tag. Right here class text. Right here just the language, I'm writing HTML here. Then you have to write here span class. Right here percent. Then you can write here 30 like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class progress. Then I will be writing here style is equals to, then right here dash dash w. Then I'll be writing here 30 like this. Now you have to close this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing this tag, and after writing this, here also I'll be doing same thing. Now when you've written this, I will be moving down. Right here label. So here I will be writing for should be opt2. Then I will be writing class opt2. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class row. Then right here div class column. And when you've written this, here I'll be writing span, and span I'll be writing class again. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing a span class circle like this. Then here I will be now just moving down. Right here span class text. Then I will be just writing here Java script like this. Then right here span class percent like this. then I will be just moving right here 20 like this thing, right here div class progress like this. Then here you have to now just do one thing. I'll be writing here style is equals to like this, right here dash w, then I will be writing here 20. Now when you've written this, I'll be writing label, then I'll be writing for opt3. So here I will be writing, then right here class opt dash 3, then move down right here div class row, then I will be just moving right here div class column, then I will be just writing here span tag, right here class circle like this, then I will be writing here span class text, then I'll be writing here python like this. Then when you written this, here I'll be writing span, and then in class I'll be writing here percent, then here I'll be writing 40%, right here div class progress, so here I'll be writing this, then right here style is equals to, and then you have to just write here w, and here you have to write 40 like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing label for, which should be opt4. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing class opt4. Then right here div class row, and then right here div class, then I'll be writing here column. Here you have to move down. After moving down, right here is span, and then in span I will be just now writing class, and in class I'll be writing circle like this. Now when you've written this, I will be just moving down, right here is span class text, then here I will be writing jQuery like this. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing span class percent, then I will be just writing 10%. Here I will be writing div class, and in div class here I will be writing progress, then I will be writing 10%. Here you have to write div class progress like this. Then here I will be now just writing here another tag, like here I will be removing these all stuff from here. Now here I will be just moving after this tag, then you have to just do one thing, like here I will be erasing this, right here is style, and then in style I will be removing this stuff, right here dash dash w, then right here 10, close this, and here you have to now just move down, right here script.js, save, then reload. So you can see now we are getting all this stuff here. So when you're getting these all things here, I will be now moving to this file after this, and after writing this, here I will be now just moving after this tag like this, right here margin 0, right here padding 0, then I'll be writing here box sizing, which will be border box, right here font family, which will be Poppins. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing sans serif, right here body display flex, right here align items, which should be center. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing justify content center, then I'll be writing min height 100 vh, then I will be writing here background, which should be 665 EE. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing selection, then here you have to write color white, right here background, which should be 665 EE. Then move down, right here wrapper, right background, which should be white, right here border radius, in which I'll be writing 15 pixel, right here padding, in padding you have to write 25 pixel, and right here max width 380 pixel. Now when you've written these all stuff, here I will be now just writing width 100%, then right here box shadow 0 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA right here 0.1, then right here dot wrapper header, then right font size, which should be like 22 pixel, right here font weight 600, then right here dot wrapper dot pole area, then here I will be writing margin 20 pixel, right here 15 pixel 0, then right here pole area, right here label, then in label I will be now just writing display, which should be block like this, right here margin bottom, so here I will be writing 10 pixel, right here border radius, which should be 5 pixel, right here padding 8 pixel, 15 pixel. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here border 2 pixel, solid E6, 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 right here transition, which should be all. Then here I'll be writing 0.2 as is. Save, reload. So now you can see we are seeing it styled. Right here poll area again. So here I will be writing, then right here label, and then when you return this, here I will be writing hover, and in hover I will be just writing border color, which should be triple D like this. Then here you have to write label dot selected. Then here I will be writing border color, and after writing this I'll be writing 665 EE. Then here I'll be writing important. So here I will be writing. Then when you've written these all stuff, here I will be now just moving down, right here label. Then I will be writing here row, right display flags, right here pointer events, which should be none, right here justify content. Then I will be just writing here space between. Then I will be writing label dot row dot column. Then I'll be writing here display flags, right here align items center. Then I will be just now writing here label. So here I will be writing dot row circle, right here height. Then in height I will be writing 19 pixel, right here width 19 pixel. Then right here display, which should be block like this. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing border 2 pixel solid, right here triple C, right here border radius. Then I will be now writing here 50%, right here margin right, which should be like 10 pixel, right here position relative. Then right here label, which should be selected, right here row dot circle like this, right here border color, and here I'll be writing 665 EE. Then right here label dot row dot circle. Then here I'll be writing after like this. Move down, and after moving down, here I will be writing content like this. Here you have to write height, which should be 11 pixel, right here width 11 pixel, right here background, which should be 665 EE. Then you have to just do like move down after this, right here border radius, which should be inherit. Then right here position, and in position I'll be writing absolute. So here I will be writing right here left 2 pixel, right here top. So here I'll be writing 2 pixel. Then right here display none. So here I will be writing. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing poll area label. Then here I will be writing hover dot row. Then I will be writing dot circle, and here I will be writing after. Here you have to write display block, right here background, which should be E6 E6 E6. Then move down, right here label dot selected. So here I'll be writing dot, and then right here selected like this, right here row dot circle. And then after writing this, here I'll be writing after, right here display block. Then I will be writing here background, which should be 6 6. Then here I'll be writing 5 EE, and then right here important like this. Save, reload. Now you can see we are getting all this stuff. Here I will be writing label, then right here row span tag, right here font size, which should be 16 pixel, right here font weight, which should be 500. Now move down. After moving down, you have to write here label, right here dot row dot percent, right here display none. Then right here label dot progress, and right here height, which should be 7 pixel, right here width 100%, right here position relative, right here background, which should be f0 f0 f0. Then right here margin, which should be 8 pixel 0 3 pixel 0. Then right here border radius, and in border radius I'll be writing 30 pixel, right here display, which should be none, right here pointer events none like this. Then you have to write label dot progress, and then right here after, here you have to write position absolute, right here content, which should be like this. Then you have to just write height 100%. Then I will be writing background. Then I'll be writing here triple C. Then you have to write here width, which should be calc. Then I will be writing here 1%. Then write this tag, right here var, right here dash w. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing just first of all closing this tag, right here border radius inherit, right here transition, which should be on 0.2 as ease. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to now move down after this, right here label dot selected dot progress, and here I will be writing after. Here you have to write background 666. Then here I will be writing 5ee. Right here label dot select all. Then I will be writing dot progress, and here I will be writing label dot select all. Then I will be writing here dot row, right here dot percent, then write display block, then save. Here you have to reload, so you can see we are getting all this stuff here when I'm pressing this, so we are getting this. Now we have to move down, right here input, and here I will be writing type. Here I will be writing is equals to radio. Then you have to close this, right here comma input type is equals to, then here you have to write checkbox like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing display none. So here I'll be writing save this thing. Then after saving, here you have to reload. Now here if I just show you, you can see if I press this here HTML, so you can see it is showing that I know 30% HTML because I have just written 30%. If I press this JavaScript, so it is saying you know JavaScript 20%. If I press Python, so you can see it is saying Python 40%, and it is having a progress bar also, which is looking good. Then this is jQuery. When I'm pressing, you can see it is working here and it is saying 10%. So this is our project here which we have built, and this was our poll UI design which we have built using what to study next in JavaScript. So now we'll be studying next Python when we will be covering up JavaScript series, because now this is our last project of JavaScript series. Then we'll be starting Python and we'll be working on Python from start to end. I'll be telling you what is Python, how to work with that, and how to use that in your project. So just now I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things of JavaScript and Python. So just for today, good bye.